Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video, we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging question from system of equations. We have x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 81. Let's say this is equation number 1. 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z is 1. Let's say this is equation 2. And xy plus yz plus zx is 27. We will call this is our equation 3. We have to find positive reals. So let's get started with our second equation. 1 over x, we can write yz over xyz plus 1 over y, we can write xz or zx over xyz. Then 1 over z is there, which will be equal to xy over xyz equal to 1. Now denominator is same xyz. We'll write yz plus zx plus xy in the numerator equal to 1. Now we'll multiply both sides by xyz. So let me write here xyz, and this side also we will write xyz. So from LHS xyz from the numerator denominator, it will be over. We will get xy plus yz plus zx equal to xyz. Now as per our equation number 3, this value is 27. So we will write here 27. So I can write x, y, z value. This will be equal to 27. So x times y times z is 27. And xy plus yz plus zx is also 27. If we will think about one cubic equation, then equation 3 is sum of roots taken 2 at a time. And let's say this is our equation 4, which is product of roots. So only missing is sum of roots, x plus y plus z value. So let us assume x plus y plus z equal to a. Once x, y, z are positive numbers, a must be positive. Sum of three positive numbers must be greater than 0 or positive. Now we are going to use two algebraic identities. First one is x square plus y square plus z square equal to x plus y plus z whole square minus 2 times in the bracket xy plus yz plus zx. Now we have x plus y plus z equal to a. So I can write here a square minus 2 times. And this is our equation number 3. Value is 27. So I can write 2 times 27. So in total I can write a square minus 2 times 27 is 54. This is the value of x square plus y square plus z square. Now I will write my second identity, which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is equal to x plus y plus z. I am writing formula first, times x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx in the same bracket. Bracket close. Now we will apply all the known values. So first of all, x plus y plus z is a. Second value is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square minus 54. x cube plus y cube plus z cube is our equation 1, value is 81. X, y, z is our equation number 4, value is equal to 27. Here we will write A. Here we are going to write this value. And xy plus yz plus zx. This is our equation number 3, I would say, equation number 3. So value is 27. Let us apply all the values. 81 minus 3 times 27 is again 81 equal to A times in the bracket x square plus y square plus z square is A square minus 54. Then minus xy minus yz minus zx. Minus is common. We can write minus 27. LHS will give us 0. RHS will give us A times A square minus 54 minus 27 minus 81. Now we can apply product 0 rule, or we can apply difference of two squares formula here. So I can write here either A equal to 0 or A square minus 81 equal to 0. If x, y, z are positive reals, then A cannot be equal to 0. A is x plus y plus z. So as per condition, x plus y plus z cannot be 0. So this equation is rejected. Now we will consider this equation. Here I can write A square minus 81 equal to 0. A square minus 9 square equal to 0. We can apply difference of two squares formula. Then we can write A plus 9 times A minus 9 equal to 0. Now we will apply product 0 rule. So we can write either A plus 9 equal to 0 or A minus 9 equal to 0. So from our first equation, we are going to get A equal to negative 9, which we are going to reject. X is positive, Y is positive, Z is positive. So A would be always positive. That's why we will reject A equal to negative 9. Now A equal to 9 we will get from the second equation. Now this is accepted. So I will write A equal to 9 is our accepted A value. So let me write here A equal to 9. A is x plus y plus z equal to 9. Now we will write sum of roots taken 2 at a time equation. So xy plus yz plus zx equal to 27. And product of roots equation xyz equal to 27. So here we have three equations. Easily we can write our cubic equation in variable t whose roots are x, y and z. We can write cubic t cube minus sum of roots x plus y plus z times t square plus sum of roots taken 2 at a time xy plus yz plus zx times t minus product of roots minus x, y, z equal to 0. Now we have to apply all the three values. So we will write t cube minus 9t square plus 27t minus 27 equal to 0. Now we will rearrange the terms. We will write t cube 27 is 3 cube. So we can write minus 3 cube. Then we have minus 9t square plus 27t equal to 0. Now here we are going to apply a cube minus b cube formula. and here we are going to take minus 90 common. Let me write here minus 90 is common. So in the bracket we can write t minus 3. RHS is 0 and here we are going to apply a cube minus b cube formula. Let me write here t cube minus 3 cube, minus 90 was common, in bracket t minus 3 equal to 0. Let's apply a cube minus b cube. We will be getting t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 9. Then we have minus 90 in the bracket t minus 3 equal to 0. Now we can take t minus 3 overall common. So in other bracket we will write t square plus 3t plus 9 minus 90 equal to 0. Or we can write t minus 3 times t square 3t minus 90 minus 60 plus 9 equal to 0. Now this bracket is again one formula. This is t minus 3 whole square. We can check t square plus 9 minus 2 times t times 3, which is minus 60. Here we will write t minus 3. So in total equal to 0. We can write this is t minus 3 whole cube equal to 0. So we'll be getting t equal to 3, t equal to 3 and t equal to 3 as our equation is cubic, or we can write t equal to 3 with multiplicity 3 and t is x, y, z. So we will write here t equal to 3 with multiplicity 3. We will get the only solution of the system x, y, z 3, 3, 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.